Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very delicious simple chat recipe with Maggi noodles. For this first we are going to roast some groundnuts or peanuts. So pour some oil in a pan. To this add around 1 tablespoon of groundnuts. Fry them until they turn slightly brown. This is ready, we can take it out. Once it cools down, you can remove the skin. Groundnuts are ready, set this aside. Now take a bowl, add half chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped green chilli, required amount of salt, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, fried groundnuts and 1 boiled and chopped potato. Now let us give everything a nice mix. Set this aside. Now let us prepare the noodles. Add 1 packet of noodles to the same pan that you fried groundnuts. You have leftover oil in it. You have to break the noodles like this, and we are going to fry the noodles until it turns slightly brown. Once the noodles are fried well, you can add a little water. This way your noodles will become little soft. Switch off the flame and add this into the bowl. To this add 1 packet of taste maker, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Now give everything a nice mix. So here our Maggi chat is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.